So we are here in my channel. As you can see, it's the only real channel which has 10k subs on YouTube. Okay, and there's some videos, and this is the transaction. We just need a hash ID. We can copy from here or we can copy from here. Okay, so we're gonna confirm that transaction to our wallet. It has zero balance. It's new blockchain wallet. Okay, it has zero balance, empty completely. Okay, just right click and then go to inspect. Just a few steps. Okay, wait for a few seconds over here. Okay, and then click to console. There is some warning you need to read with carefully. This browser may feature is intended for developers. If someone told you to copy paste something here, it is a scam and it will give them access to your money. Okay, so make sure you read all of these three lines. After you read that, then you can do the mother process. That's why I'm using a new blockchain wallet which has zero balance. Okay, and I'm telling you that use new blockchain wallet with a zero balance. So yeah, this is my own code, so I don't need to worry about that. But you are using my code, you are using my blockchain script, so you just need to use new wallet. And if you want, you can do a new window, install new windows. Okay, so that without getting and further delay, let's start the video. Okay, close everything from here, clear everything from here. Okay, clear, and then paste over script. Right click, select all, right click once again, copy your script, and then minimize it. Yeah, then paste it over here. Press the enter button. After you press the enter button, box pops up open here, and here's our unconfirmed transaction. We just need a hash ID. We can copy from here or we can copy from here, from 7DA. Okay, you can copy from there and paste it over here. Paste, click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yeah, I just wanted to send this transaction. Click OK once again. OK, and then close everything from here and just refresh the balance to see the magic. Okay, as you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. So let me show you the date. Today's date, it's Friday, 16 January 2026. Okay, let me scroll it up and down because watermark, a number watermark on the screen. Okay, that's why I'm scrolling up and down. And yeah, this is the channel and this is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but it will take maximum 1 hour to complete. So let me refresh that to see if it's confirmed or not. Okay, yeah, it's confirmed. It's 100% confirmed, as you can see that. And don't be worried about this price changes because this is the main thing. Okay, this is the main thing. As you know, BTC rate is so high, so it's fluctuate up and down. So don't be worried about that. Whenever I refresh, it will change. Okay, let me refresh that once again. Okay, and let me refresh it from wallet again, so you can see again. So as you can see there, price it's updated. Okay, so yeah, this is the channel. If you wanted to subscribe, you can subscribe it for more related videos. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next one.